Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the important topic called virtual machine. Why virtual machine is very important for all professionals such as IT and OT technologies, including the automation engineers, electrical engineers and everyone. Currently, if we have lot of softwares, it cannot be installed all the softwares in one computer. All the Windows such as Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows 7, Linux, Windows Server, everything in one computer with physically. And also we have lot of brands such as Rockwell, Siemens, Delta, Allen Bradley, Schneider, ABB, Omron, etc. So these all softwares we cannot install in one computer itself, correct? So what is the solution? How I can find the solution? Let's begin for virtual machine. What is virtual machine? Virtual machine is a compute resource that uses a software instead of a physical computer to run the programs and deploy the application. This means without any physical hardware, we can install all the different types of operating systems, different programs and application through virtual machine. Therefore, we are telling that virtual machine is a computer file typically called as image that behaves like an actual computer. See here. See, if you see in this example, you have computers which contains the hardware. This is our computer. But when you install the virtual machine monitor, from through that one we can install lot of virtual machine with supporting OS. Example, one for Linux, one for Windows XP, one for Windows 7, Windows 11 or Windows Server, anything. Because this virtual machine will support all the different kinds of operating systems as well as the programs. So we don't need to go with again to purchase lot of computers for each operating systems and also the each different brand of softwares. We cannot go with that one. No? So this is the best solution for everyone. See the parts of virtual machine. If you see, this is our physical machine. See here, this is our physical machine and we will install the virtual machine monitor, that is called visualization. In after that part we will this will be automatically install virtual machine, operating system and application. This everything by softwares. So we don't need any physical computer or hardware parts, because one computer we can install like how many virtual machines you need from this one computer. That is the beauty of the virtual machine. If we go for the uses of virtual machine, see here, you have many computers. Each computer can carry many applications, see many virtual machines. You can install in one computer, you can install 10 virtual machines, 500, even how much capacity you have, you can install. And other beauty of the virtual machine, it can be connect with the main server and the clusters. See, it can connect with the many clusters and virtual machines, and you can the host can the client or host can be view from this any of the customer like servers or clients from the clusters. It will be shared easily and you can access in anywhere from the world. If it is connected through VPN from the networks, you can take from anywhere. That is another beauty of the virtual machine. See, if you see the top top five, or we can tell that most of the users they are using VMware, VirtualBox, and also Microsoft Hyper-V, KVM, Workstation Pro, and also others like nowadays we have a lot of other virtual machines like Docker, Core OS, SaltTrack, etc. If you go further, nowadays all the cloud services, example Google Cloud, Amazon, Alibaba or Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, everyone they are using its own virtual machines. So you don't need to purchase a separate computer, separate hardware, RAM. You don't need to worry about anything. It can connect directly to the server. See, it can be connected directly from the virtual machine from the cloud, and you can access from anywhere in the world. That is the beauty of virtual machine. Okay, let's go with our examples. See, now I open the virtual machine. In this virtual machine, see, you can find VMware workstation. Okay, if you see here, this is workstation 16 Pro, and create new virtual machine, open virtual machine and connect to the remote server. So you have these options currently. If you click the new create new virtual machine, see you have two options, typical and customs. Okay, if you click typical example, you can find here, see here you can install the drive G from the drive. You can install the software directly. If you have the CD drive, you can install directly. Otherwise, if you have ISO file, you can put the ISO file and you can install directly. And also you can install without the operating system also. And if you click the ISO, you just select the path and give next, and it will ask you the virtual machine name. You can put any of the name and select the path where you need to be where you should need to be stored the data. So, and if you give next, and it will ask the minimum capacity of your hard disk. Just enter your capacity of your hard disk, maybe 60 GB or 100 GB, etc. After you entered, you see here you have two options: store virtual machine in a single file or with multiple file. I will give multiple file because this is one of the useful things. And you can select, see here, all the hard disk capacities, everything, and you just give finish. Once you complete this finish, it will start creating a new operating system. Okay, but currently I have already 3 operating system. If you find here I have 3. And if you go for open virtual machine, if you have that file already in your computer or in your hard disk, you can browse directly. See here example, just I will take my, see here I have 3 virtual machine, so I can see already I install, it is there in the left side. And you can connect this one to the remote server also. Just put the server name, username and password. It can connect through the vCenter through the remote. And if you go here, you should find new, create new, open, close, and mapping the virtual machine like that. And if you go for the edit, you can find the preference, and this one you can select the preference of your virtual machine workstation. And if you go further view, it is normal, same like others. And if you go for VM tools and help, you can find lot of options. If you click any one of the property, see here you can find here power on, or see, or you can find start from here. If you go for edit the virtual machine settings, you can find the RAM. You can increase the RAM at any time. Also the processor, hard disk capacity also you can increase. And also see, this is the location of the CD drive. The network adapter is very important to select, because this is the bridged or NAT. You need to, based on your requirement, you have to select. And also the USB controllers, sound cards, printer, display, everything you can select based on your requirement. If you go further for options, you can find here the guest operating systems and also the power. If you go for shared folders, sometimes it is disabled. You need to enable the shared folders, snapshots, and also the auto protect, access control, virtual VMware tools, and also VNC connections, Unity. We have a lot of options even at the advanced. See here, even you can select the BIOS also, firmware type. Okay, this is the beauty of the virtual machine. So you don't need any of the computer. See, now I am going to double click the application, one of the applications, if Windows. Just click the start up this new operating system. Once it's tried to started, see, it will show you the virtual machine, which VMware it is started. So it will be looks like same like your computer operating system. See, it is going to start Windows 10, and when it started, you can find the login page similarly how it started earlier. Once it started, You can provide your credential. See, and also once you open the application, you can find all the application like file, edit, view, VM tools, help, and also you can maximize the screens. And if you go here, the windows, you can find similarly how you are using your operating system in your laptop. So this is, we can tell that this is the beauty of virtual machine. It will be have all the functionality how you are using your normal computer. So you can, this virtual machine you can use in anywhere. Even you can carry with your USB sticks or in your hard disk, or you can keep in your laptop itself. Even if you can make the copy paste. So if you install all the application in one virtual machine, you can make a copy paste and you can use in many times. It will not corrupt it. So this is the beauty of the virtual machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button, and it is useful for you. Kindly subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.